watch a tragic news with the passing of Charlie Kirk. Such a young man, a very good person, a family-oriented child of God, who is not afraid to speak of his mind. He just wants to tell the goodness of God in his life, educating us. We lost sheep of this world. We lost a lamb. This world is full of evil, and I could not understand why there are people who will not agree with your thoughts, and just because they could not debate you in a fair way, they will gonna cut your life. What's happening with the world right now? What's happening with America right now? We people in different countries look up to you, America. So how I hope that with what happened to Charlie, you will wake up. Wake up, America. Go back to God. This is what you need right now. You need Jesus. Please educate your youth. Educate your people. The importance of prayer, the importance of faith in God, the importance of empathy, humanity. You have the best economy. You're the #1 country in the world. But what's happening with the youth in there? They need your guidance. Christians, I'm mourning, including me, because you have lost the salt and light in your country. What's happening with you people? Where is humanity in America right now? Those people celebrating the death of Charlie, you're purely evil. Evil, evil. Shame on you. I am praying for your souls. Ang bigat, diba? My goodness. So as a Christian, this really affects me because he has done nothing but to share the good news, the words of God, sharing his ideas and his faith. Such good person, such good man of God, didn't deserve to die that way. Many people's life have been changed because of this man. Sometimes we could not understand why those things happened, why such a painful tragedy should be experienced by us before we learn something. The world is in mourning right now. Those who enjoy of his death are purely evil. Shame on you. Shame on you people. You're not human. You're not human, and I'm praying for your soul. Nakakaawa lang kasi ang lilit pa ng mga anak niya. Hindi siya yung nanggugulo. Alam niyo yun? Gusto lang niya mag-share ng word of God. And yet, he suffered his faith. I don't want to question God's plan. Why this happened to him and to his family. I know God has greater purpose in everything that happened, and I'm just praying for his family and his children, the comfort of their lost. So, nakakalungkot kasi nga, grabe. Naalala ko tuloy si Martin Luther. Yung pinaglalaban niya lang yung equality, fairness, tapos na-assassinate din siya. And even the disciples of God in the Bible. So, kawawa tayo. Kasi ang mundo ay palala ng palala. Grabe, ano na nangyari sa atin? We must go back to God. We are on the last